What's up everyone, welcome to Phaeodefis. This is Phaeodefis Animalia, be natural. And the subject for today's video guys is to clean our enclosure for our Philippine box turtle. And what is the Philippine box turtle? So before we move forward guys, let me have a short quiz. What is the difference between endemic and native ones? Just comment down below. So the Philippine box turtle is a small Chiura species. It has fine whitish head stripes. This species is distributed on all Philippine islands except for the Palawan and Sulu archipelago. And sad to state, its population declined throughout the years. And without further ado, let's do the cleaning.
So what's up guys, so this is actually our old setup sa ating enclosure sa mga rescued endemic Philippine box turtle. So as you can see, dalawa dapat yung tire dito, but kinuha ko na yung isa, napakabigat to be honest, which is yung dalawa nilagyan ko ng basin sa gitna. Kasi yung endemic turtle natin, yung Philippine box turtle is a semi-aquatic species na matatagpuan lang talaga dito sa Pinas. And as you can see guys, ito po yung dalawang egg na nag-hatch out last month of May. So yung mga bagong pisa po na pagong, hindi ko na po sinurrender sa DNR because I disagree actually sa kanilang place na napag-releasan ng ating mga rescued endemic turtles. But still guys, naghanap rin ako ng best or suitable places na mapag-releasan sa mga pagong na ito. So hinanap ko yung pagong dito. I think na dito na sila sa ilalim ng driftwood. So ito nga sila guys. Tumingin yung isa. So this is actually two ungendered endemic turtles. So guys, pag bago silang hatch, it's just like a old peso coin. Yung kalaki yung entire shell nila, or tinatawag natin carapace. And as you can see guys, napaka-cute talaga nitong mga endemic turtles natin. So without further ado, linisan na natin sila. So first thing first guys is lilipat ko yung mga pagong sa isang box or any kind of box. But for today's video, yung gagamitin natin ay yung bin, plastic bin, just to make sure na may enough ventilation yung paglalagyan nyo at may takip to avoid the potential predators such as dogs and cats. And guys, fast forward, ito na, nilinisan ko na yung basin, yung mga sand, at ito yung tubig na napakadumi. And para sa bato guys, of course, lilinisan natin ito ng kaunti, slightly brushing. The same sa ating driftwood because both of them will be utilized again para sa ating enclosure sa pagong. And this one guys is my old pan. Ang dami ng water garbage na andun sa tubig, sa pan actually. But for this one, kukunin ko yung submersible pump na naka-submerge sa tubig of course, because gagamitin natin yun para sa ating enclosure sa pagong. Tingnan natin ito, ang daming water lilies guys. And just a quick flex sa ating mga tanim. Just comment down below guys kung anong tanim ito, just comment like. Thanks! And ito na guys yung ating enclosure ng pagong natin. So nahirapan ako kung paano ilagay ito ng maayos, especially sa ating 8 watts na submersible pump. 8 watts ba to? Wait, tingnan natin. Oo nga, 8 watts nga. And yeah, just trying to figure out the best setup for this one. So carving all the details guys. So nilagay ko dito yung driftwood, nakaganito pwesto para makita ko yung pagong pag andyan sila sa loob. Pero I guess hindi na sila pupunta dyan dahil dyan ko ilalagay yung flow ng tubig galing sa pump. So ito na yun guys, yung enclosure natin para sa ating mga pagong. Medyo murky yung tubig, but that's okay because over a period of time, mawawala din yan. And to be honest guys, nahirapan talaga ako kung saan ilalagay yung pump para sa kanila kasi medyo mataas ito. At yung enclosure natin is basin lang and napakaliit. Although meron akong ref tub, but napakalalim yun para sa ating mga pagong. And a couple of minutes guys, ito na yung setup. Pinandar ko na yung pump. And as you can see, nasira talaga yung filter box natin, but that's pretty okay because temporary lang din naman yung setup natin para sa ating pagong, dahil lilipat ko sila sa mas malaking enclosure soon. And I guess guys, it's already good for the meantime para sa ating pagong. Hindi malakas yung agos ng tubig. At ito na guys, yung pinakahihintay ng lahat, ilalagay na natin yung pagong sa bagong linis nila na enclosure. But before that, uunahin natin itong snail na to, hell snail. I don't know if this is actually the golden apple snail, but I guess mas orange yun since invasive species na yun sa ating bansa. And of course, our two beloved turtles. Isasabay ko na sila sa paglagay. Medyo pale yung isa at yung isa naman is bright yellow. If nakikita nyo, yung nasa top yung pale at yung isa yung mas nasa baba, yung pinaka bright. And as you can see guys, before ko sila ilalagay sa kanilang malinis na enclosure is kinumpara ko talaga sila ulit, as you see. And just a quick disclaimer that I didn't bring any harm in making this video. And just a quick advice guys, if makakita kayo nito sa wild, just let them be. And that's all for today's video guys, and I hope na nagustuhan nyo po ito. And just always guys, stay safe and be Faishu Defes. Peace out.
Chilling.
Scrolling through my phone, looking at your face. We were once so close, now there's empty space. Messages left unread, feelings left unsaid, waves crash on the